students. Today we are going to study tenses. Do you know tenses? What is the meaning of tense? Tell me. Yes, tell me. What is the meaning of tense? Or what do you know about tenses?
There are 12 tenses.
12 tenses. Okay, fine. And which are they? Largely there are 3 tenses. Right? But first, let us understand the meaning of tense. The word tense has derived from the word tempus. Okay. And the meaning of tempus is time. Okay. So, tense means time. We divide time into various divisions, various sections. That is called tenses. Okay. So, largely, how many divisions are there? There are 3 divisions. Which are there?
Present,
Present tense, past tense,
future,
and future tense. Fine. So, which type of activities do we represent in present tense? Which type of activities are there in present tense? What is the meaning of present tense? The activities which we are doing
now,
right now. Okay, now whatsoever we are doing falls in present tense. In past tense, which type of activities?
which are already been done.
We have completed the activities. Okay. And future,
Which is going to happen.
we are going to do in future. Okay. So these are the 3 large sections. Then we still have subdivisions. Which are the subdivisions of present tense? Do you know?
Yes.
Which?
Present continuous,
Right. Then
present perfect,
and
present perfect continuous.
right. No. Present.
Huh.
Simple present
Huh.
tense. Okay. Then
Present continuous.
this we call A. B. Continuous present tense. C.
Perfect.
Perfect present tense. And D.
Perfect continuous.
Perfect.
Continuous.
Right. Continuous. Right. These are the 4 subdivisions of present tense. Then in past tense also there are 4 subdivisions. Which are they?
Simple simple past.
Right. Simple. Then
Continuous.
continuous. Then
Perfect.
perfect. And then
Perfect continuous.
perfect continuous. Okay. In the same way, future tense is also divided into 4 subtenses. Which are they? Simple. Then
Continuous.
continuous. Then
Perfect.
perfect. And then
Continuous.
perfect continuous. So, in total, there are 12 tenses like this. Clear? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes.
Right? So, this we are going to study. First of all, we will study
Simple present.
simple present tense. Right? Okay, fine. So, let us understand simple present tense. First, we will complete A group. In A group, we will study all the simple tenses. Means simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. All these three tenses we are going to study. Today we will study only simple present tense, past tense. That is simple present tense. Okay. So first of all, when do we use simple tense? Simple present tense. When do we use? To show which type of activity?
Which we are doing now.
No. At what time you get up in the morning every day?
Routine, daily routine.
6 o'clock. Okay. Daily you get up at 6 o'clock. Which tense is it? Simple present. Are you doing it now?
No.
No. But you do on the routine basis, daily activity. So all the daily activities we show in simple present tense. We may not be doing these things now. Okay. So first let us understand the sentence pattern of this. What is the sentence pattern? Do you know what is the sentence pattern of simple present tense?
Yes.
First of all,
Subject
subject, then
plus verb.
verb. Which form of the verb?
Do ya does.
No.
Means
That is
as or es.
Present tense form.
हाँ.
V1. Okay.
हाँ.
That we call V1. There are how many forms of a verb are there?
3.
3. V1, V2,
V2.
V3. V1 means present tense
Base
form.
form.
V2 means
Past
past tense
tense.
form. And V3 means
Past participle.
past participle. Right? So V1 means present tense form, first form of the verb. Okay. And then other
Objects.
objects may be there or may not be there, so we use other words, any other words. Other words are not so important. For us, important is only subject and V1. For example, take any subject.
V.
Right? V. Okay. Now take any verb.
Watch.
V1.
Watch.
Watch. V. Watch
Movie.
a movie.
Student.
Right. Okay. What is the meaning of this sentence? We watch a movie.
We saw movie.
We watch a movie means it means we watch movie daily or on regular basis. Right? That is the meaning. Right now we are not watching. We watch movie daily or on routine basis. That is the meaning. Okay. Fine. Now if the subject is third person singular. Do you understand what is third person
Yes.
singular?
He, she, it.
He, she, or any singular noun. Okay. So if there is he or she or any noun, for example, Pankaj, then what shall we do? Watch.
Watch.
Watches. We have to add
Watch. Yes.
es. Right? Watches a movie. So this is the sentence pattern of simple present tense. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes.
Simple present tense clear?
Yes.
We use it to show daily or routine activities or universal truth, and this is the sentence pattern, subject plus V1 plus other words. And if the subject is third person singular, then
S or es.
right, then we add s or es to the verb. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Clear? Good. Thank you very much.